what was our vertical jump?
Oh, was it I've written down, sorry. I think it was like 10 inches. I think we had it
10 inches. And what's the vertical jump now at the 11th week?
at 15.
15. Okay, very good. So that's about 5-inch or 50% increase in the vertical jump
Right.
department. And the broad jump number before?
I think we had, I don't know what we had at the beginning, but it was 69 inches as of today.
Right. Before, I think you sent me was 61, right?
Yeah, I think that's right.
Okay. And the 40-yard dash number before?
Is 7.15 or 7.12 around there.
7.1512. Okay. And what's this 40-yard dash number now?
So it's at 5.4.
5.4. Perfect. Yeah, so we made improvement in all 3 categories. So that's really good. So it's a holistic type of improvement.
Yes.
And Andrew, can you talk about your stamina? Do you feel fatigued? How do
No,
you feel now compared to week 1?
compared to week one, I usually when I'm playing, I get like tired really fast. But now I could like last a whole like 90 minutes, in the game. I could really last and not get tired.
Got it. And I know the coach, your soccer coach, did he say anything throughout this process? Did he notice you?
Yeah, he noticed me a little bit. He noticed how I got a little bit faster and I was able to last more.
Yeah, stamina, that's like one of the things that coach mentions, in the past, is criticism of Andrew. It's just his fitness, for the length of the game, and then speed too. I mean, that was like the biggest thing that we were working on, right? I mean, his speed, and I mean he had a little agility. I mean he had some skills, but you know it's just it's that speed, the acceleration and speed that you need, right, to get the ball where it needs to go to be successful. And
Right.
that's where we were seeking the most, you know that's the goal, I guess, we were seeking, to have a higher level of speed and agility. Well, thank you, Coach. I appreciate it so much. This has been, I mean, the journey for me too. I mean, I just watching, and then watching your videos, and it's just amazing that all the things that you do, and I hope that I hope more people find out about this. This is incredible.